Hi, so welcome back. So in this video, it's the last example for it's the third example, okay? I gave out two example earlier. So this is the last one, example number 3. So you want to grab this equation of a line, y equal x, and it's written in slope-intercept form. Why? Because it can be written in the form of y equal mx plus b. So remember, the slope m, okay, is the number in front of x. And if you look at our example right here, what is the number in front of x? Okay, some of you may think, oh, we don't see a number, so it's 0. No. It cannot be 0. Why? If it was 0, right? Remember, 0 times anything will come out 0, not x. So it cannot be 0, so one number can it be? Okay, so it cannot be 0, so it has to be the number 1. Okay, why? Because now you do 1 times x, it's just x. So as mathematician, we don't, when the coefficient is 1 or the number in front of x is 1, you don't usually write it, you leave it out. Okay, so if you don't see a number in front of a variable, it's meant the number there is 1, the coefficient is 1. Okay, so then the rise is 1. Okay, how do I turn the number 1 as a ratio or fraction? You draw a line and you put 1 under, you write 1 under. So now we see that the slope represents the rise over the run. So the rise is positive 1, so you're going to go up 1. And then because the run is positive 1, you're going to go to the right 1 unit. Why? Because 1 is a positive 1. Okay, and remember, you always want to start at the y-intercept. Okay, so you want to go up 1 and move to the right 1 from where? The y-intercept. But what is the y-intercept? It's a number added to the term with the x. Now, I don't see a number with the x. I don't see a number added next to the x, the 1x. So can it be 0? You're right, because you're adding, so it's not multiplying, so this time it can be 0. So it's plus 0. Okay, so the number added is 0. What does it mean about the graph? It means you're going to start at the at the origin. So B is a variable or the letter you use to represent y-intercept. You don't want to write y-intercept, you just write B and you say equal to 0. Again, where are you going to start? Always start at the y-intercept. So always start at the y-intercept. And what is a y-intercept? It's this one. It's a number. This is a y-intercept. Okay. B equals 0. 0 is a y-intercept. So you want to look on the y-axis, not on the x-axis. Never. And you want to identify 0, and 0 is right here. And I place my dot, which is the center, okay, of the axis. Then from the y-intercept, then I want to go up. So I'm going to go up 1 and move to the right 1. Then place my dot. Go up 1 and move to the right 1, place my dot. Go up 1 and move to the right and place my dot. Okay, so you want to go up 1 and move to the right, and then you place your dot. You want to do 2 actions before you place your dot. You want to go up first and then move to the right, then you place your dot. Okay, you go up 1 and you move to the right and you place your dot. I think I have enough other pair on my right. Now, to build my other pair on the left side, what am I going to do? Okay, it's the same thing as to do, to go backwards. So you go back to the y-intercept, and instead of going up, you're going to go down. And instead of going to the right, you're going to go to the left. So you go down 1, okay, and you go down 1 and you move to the left 1. So what are you doing exactly here? The slope is, the rise is -1 because you're going down and moving to the left. So it's also -1. So what is the slope here? It's -1 over -1. Are you changing the line? No, you're just writing it, you're writing the slope in a different way. Okay, that's where you're going to go down and you move to the left. But you're not changing the slope of 1. Do you know why? A negative divided by negative is positive. Okay, so this one should be just 1. -1 divided by -1 is positive 1. okay? +1. You're not changing anything, okay? You're just rewriting it differently. So you go down 1 and you move to the left 1 and you place your dot. You go down 1 and you move to the left 1 and you place your dot. Okay, to go down 1 and move to the left 1 and place a dot. Go down 1 and move to the left 1. Go down 1, move to the left 1, and keep repeating. I think I'm done. I'm going to stop here. I have enough order pair. Okay, then I am going to erase my numbers here for the vice and the vine. Okay. So now I can now connect the dots. Okay, draw the line using a ruler. So my line is straight. Okay, and make sure you use a ruler for your line to be straight and beautiful. Okay. So you include the arrows at the end of each end of the line. Why? Because the line keeps on going forever. So to represent forever in the graphing, use arrows. So make sure you include the arrows, okay, on both ends. And this is a line, the equation of a line, of the graph of the line y equal x. Okay, where the y-intercept is the origin and the slope is 1. Okay, that's it. And as you can tell, as the x value keep on increasing, what you can notice about the arrows, now the arrows is pointing up. So I know that my slope is positive, right? The slope here is going to be a positive number. So it's plus. Before it was negative, so I know it's a positive. Why? Because as the x value gets bigger and bigger, the y value also gets bigger and bigger. So that's why the slope is positive. Okay, the arrows on the right is going up, so it's positive. I hope that this video helped you how to graph the line given the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.